The fault designation VC front A447 indicates a front drive unit anomaly within a Tesla vehicle architecture. In practical terms, the code suggests that the system supervising the front propulsion assembly has detected a condition outside expected operating parameters, thereby prompting a diagnostic alert. Such a signal does not, by itself, establish a single mechanical failure. Rather, it marks the boundary between stable operation and a state requiring technical investigation. In an electric vehicle, the front drive unit is responsible for translating electrical energy into controlled motion through a coordinated set of power electronics, motor components, sensors, and software controls. When a fault of this kind appears, the vehicle's diagnostic logic is typically responding to irregularities such as temperature deviation, communication interruption, insulation concern, torque inconsistency, or unexpected current behavior. The relevant significance of the code lies not only in the component it names, but in the preservation of system integrity that the alert is intended to support. From an engineering perspective, the appearance of VC front A447 should be treated as a symptom rather than a final diagnosis. Effective interpretation depends on context, driving conditions at the time of the alert, recent service history, auxiliary warnings, and any reduction in vehicle performance. A disciplined diagnostic process would begin with a scan of related trouble codes, followed by inspection of wiring, connectors, coolant pathways, and software status. Because modern EV subsystems are tightly integrated, an apparent hardware fault may originate in a sensor signal or control module communication issue. The broader lesson is that fault codes function as a language of risk management. They do not merely describe failure, they help contain it by directing attention to the most probable domain of concern. In this sense, VC front A447 is less a conclusion than an instruction to investigate, verify, and restore dependable operation through systematic analysis.